What's up fans, welcome back to my YouTube channel and welcome to this video. In this video I am going to show you how to start JBG affiliate marketing without any investment. So you know it's a free tutorial method. You can start your JBG affiliate marketing with 100% free US. And step by step I will show you everything. If you are a green newbie, it doesn't matter. If you are an expert, it doesn't matter. You can follow this method step by step and you can get JBG affiliate marketing success, I assure it. But at first I want to say you don't get overnight success in online marketing, and but if you follow the right ways, the right method, then you will get results. It's mandatory, it's guaranteed. I am Raju Bhadro, affiliate marketer of Legendary Marketer, JBG, ClickBank, and many other marketplaces, and I am making $1,000 per month by affiliate marketing, online marketing, and I am working here for last 8 years. And you see here, it's an educational YouTube channel. So first thing first, if you first inside my YouTube channel, subscribe my YouTube channel Raju Bhadro, and hit the notification bell for my upcoming videos, new videos, and new updates inside my YouTube channel. You see here, I am uploading videos in the daily basis and a lot of helpful content inside my YouTube channel. If you are a newbie or if you are an expert, you will get every kind of method, every kind of videos inside my YouTube channel. Affiliate marketing, getting traffic, social media marketing, everything inside my YouTube channel. And I am trying my best to get the best help for to other people to make money online. And if you want to make big money over 10,000 per month, then check my number on recommendation or check my video description. That's it. So guys, don't miss any part of this video. I will show you everything as a green newbie, and I don't know anything how to start JBG affiliate marketing without any investments, means without any money or 100% free. So what I do in this video, I recommend you to follow everything for starting your JBG affiliate marketing. So guys, let's check it and check into my computer. But if you first inside my YouTube channel, don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel Raju Bhadro and hit the notification bell for my upcoming videos, new videos, and new updates inside my YouTube channel. And you know, traffic is the key to online success. So if you want to make 8 traffic secrets, then you can get this by unlimited bad traffic here in my video description. And you can follow me on Facebook, TikTok, Instagram, Pinterest, LinkedIn, Twitter, and for getting more and more latest tips and tricks about make money online. So guys, I am a newbie, I don't know anything, and in this video I will show you 3 steps, and you see here how to create an account on JBG. I don't know anything. How to get affiliate approval, I don't know anything. And how to get free traffic for promoting, I don't know anything. So let's check it. So how to create an account on JBG? You see here jbg.com and get this free sign up here. You see your first name, email address, password, confirm password, your country, you are agree with their agreement policies, and registered. Just 2 minutes needed to create a JBG account. Instant approval, so it doesn't matter. Now, and if you already have an JBG account, then it's very nice. So check this next step, how to get affiliate approval. At first I want to say, in case of JVZoo affiliate approval, you need to talk with the vendors, and you have to show your traffic sources. And for this reason, visit this website manchai.com. You will get all the latest product, all the upcoming products, all the previous product inside this Manchai calendar. You see here all the product list inside JVZoo and Warrior Plus here, and you get the JVZoo link inside this. Okay. Now you want to promote this JVZoo product. It's the vendor of Neil Napier product funnel via. Open this, and you see here all the details of the product, and you see here the JV base. Now visit this JV base. It's the JV venture page. You will get the all the info about this product, all the info about the vendor. So you can visit here, and you see here all the launch document here. Here is the email sweeps. If you can make more and more sale, then here is the price, and you will get the get link, the approval link. So before getting this approval link, you have to communicate with the vendors for getting instant approval or getting approval. Otherwise, if you are a newbie and you have no sales inside JVZoo, then it's tough to get approval. So you have to contract with the vendors, and at the end, at the bottom of the JV page, you will get the vendors info, and you can communicate with the vendors via Skype or Facebook. And if you can communicate directly, then you will your chance of getting approval is 80% or 90%. So if you are a newbie, then you have to do it at the first stage. After getting few sales, 50 or 100 sales inside JVZoo, don't need to contract any vendors. Most of the case you will get auto approved. So just submit your approval request and you get link. So if you are a newbie, I am a newbie, so I have to contract with the vendors here, and here is the Skype link, here is the Facebook link. So contract here, and then get link. So after register your account, you have to log in for getting approval. I already get this link, but you will if you see another product, just I check this for getting approval. You see here, you have to write a short note about yourself, and sorry, you see here, hey, I am Raju Bhadro. I am an affiliate of JViju. I want to promote your amazing offer. I have targeted traffic sources for promoting your offer. Please allow me to promote it. Thanks. That's it. And click here and check you are not a robot and request approval. That's it. Here is the request pending for approval, and for this reason I suggest you to contact with the vendors directly. And here you will same message, hey, about yourself and what's your traffic sources. Then you can indicate you are a newbie, or but it doesn't matter. Then you have to put your affiliate ID when you contact with the vendor, and you will get your affiliate ID here. Here is my today's dashboard. You see here. Oh, this amount. So you are going to make this type of amount very soon. So you can see here my account, and you see here your affiliate ID. If you oh my god, I have got this 15% affiliate. That's it's amazing. Okay. So when you contract with the vendors, you have to submit your affiliate ID. That can help you to track your affiliate account, and it will help you to get approval. And so most of the mandatory element is contracting with vendors. Okay, how to get affiliate approval has been completed, and now how to get free traffic for promoting. At first, I want to say, if you want to get JViju's product sale, then you have to run paid ads at the first, or you need to have 10k 5 to 10k minimum buyer mail, or you have to write or make video review. So what do you want to do? If you want to get JViju sales, at first you have to run paid ads. Okay, fine. Or you have to, in Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, anywhere, or you have to own 5 to 10k buyer list, or you have to write review or make video review. Now in this video I prefer video review, and it's the best way to get unlimited sale for free OS. And I will show you all the simple OS. You don't need to be fair. I am a newbie, then how can I do it? Okay, no problem. I will solve this problem with very simple OS. So check it. And if you first inside my YouTube channel, don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. It's an educational YouTube channel. You will get a lot of helpful content inside my YouTube channel. So don't miss any video inside my YouTube channel. It will help you a lot to make big money. I assure you, my all methods or all the videos are far and far better than Warrior Plus junk product, junk method, junk software. I assure you. You can I challenge it. Okay. So you have to make review video. Don't be fear. At first, you have to need video making software. It's free, don't need to fear. OBS Studio. Just simply free download this OBS Studio. I personally use this software for making this video too. So this is OBS Studio, and you have to install it, and you will make video. Open this software, and your video making is option is open, and you can start making videos. It's so much simple. And if you have any doubt about or difficulties to using this OBS software, then you can simply watch 1 or 2 YouTube video, then you will get the solve. Yeah, it's so much easy. Just install it and you can understand everything. Now it's the main fact of review. Video making doesn't matter, but review content is the matter. And for this I suggest you, it's the JB page. Okay, here is the all the info about this product. Okay, now you have to watch the demo video first. What about this software or training or method? So you have to watch that demo video first. It's a 11-minute video, so at first you have to invest this 11 minutes. Okay, watch this video carefully. Okay, now you have to write all the features about this product. That's enough. You don't need to do anything. You will get everything about this product, or you can get any more other info inside this product, or you can check the sales page for getting more info. After watching this, when you check the JB page, you will say go the JB document. Here you will get the review access of this product. So you will get the review access, and you see here all the review login info, and you can access this product. Okay, and every product, all the vendors provide this review info. So you will get this review document. Okay, now you have to open this software and log in here, and you will visit the software. And when you watch this demo video, you will get everything. How to do this software, how this software works, how to work with this software, everything you will get. Then you will get this review access and open this software and get the and show everything inside this software. Just you open OBS software and just show about this here, and you already read this feature points. Then you get some important points about this software inside the sales page, and you can just simply tell say about this product. Just simply, you don't need to hesitate to fill it's not, there is no difficulties. Just make 1 or 2 videos, then it will more and more easier than the first. The fastest stage you have to face few 1 or 2 difficulties, but within 1 week or 2 weeks we will get the relaxment. Okay, so it doesn't matter. So your content is the fact. For getting content, visit this JB page and get the content. So I suggest you invest 30 minutes about the product before starting your review. Then you will get an amazing video, I assure you. And after completing your video, just upload it into YouTube. And so making video, visit YouTube. Then go here, settings, add or manage account. You see here, click this, and you see here, create a new channel. And I suggest you to use your personal your own name, make your own brand, or you can make a review related name or as your wish, but I prefer you to write your own name, use your own name. Okay, and here I will show you some tricks or mandatory facts for YouTube ranking in case of a review video. Just focus it, don't miss this part. At first you have to focus on title. Here is the product name review, okay, and every product you will add your vendor name. Then you can how it works, should I buy it, scam or legit, don't buy before my watching my review, then get the secret, what should I do, anything can add in the last para. So at the first your product's name review, in this case funnel bio review, then vendor's name Neil Napier, then you can get anything, how it works, should I buy it, is it a scam, anything. Okay, now in the description you have to write about 100 or 200 words about this product, and you can get it inside the feature. Suppose first copy it and paste it. Okay, and most important is tags. You have to add minimum 10 or 12 or 15 tags, and it will help you to get rank your videos. Suppose if you are a newbie, if you are a green newbie, you don't get this funnel bio review review, you don't get this search, but you can get a scam, funnel bio scam, is a download, software, method or training, product name, preview, then vendor's name, then bonus, and all those keywords are searchable. So if you get any of the keywords search rank, then you will get traffic. So guys, that's it. There is no tricks and there is no way to get the best result. I personally follow this, and you can follow it for getting results. So guys, if this video help you to make JVZoo money and start JVZoo affiliate marketing, then please like this video, and if you have any question, then comment in the comment box. I am always ready to reply you, and don't forget to share it for the others and to your friends. So guys, that's it. And if you first inside my YouTube channel, don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel Raju Bhadro. A lot of helpful content inside my YouTube channel like this. I try my best to provide helpful content to for other peoples to make money online. And if you are a newbie, if you are an expert, it doesn't matter, always focus on the right way. And I request you, don't want overnight success. If you want overnight success, it's not possible. It's not possible. If I can get overnight success, if other marketers can get overnight success, then you also can get overnight success, but it's not possible. Here is no tricks, no clue, you have to go with the right way. So guys, that's it, and subscribe my YouTube channel and hit the notification bell for my upcoming videos, new videos and new updates. So guys, it's time to start your JVZoo affiliate marketing without any invest. First, you have to create account. Second, getting a product approval, and third, make YouTube video, review video, and get rank within 1 week. I assure you, if you follow this method and if you make this video and upload it in YouTube, I assure you within 1 week you will get results. I assure it. So guys, start it and get results. Bye. See you soon. God bless you.